Welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing top YouTube niches, okay, with high CPM, which you may invest in or create content about to make money as a content creator. The number one on the list is finance and investing. There is a lot of money in finance and investing section on niche because a lot of finance companies are ready to invest a lot of money into this niche, okay, through advertising. You can have finance content that with high CPM as high as $50 per 1,000 views or even $30. Sometimes you can get up to $70. So if you see all these channels lying about different things, how to make money in how to make $5,000 in 1 minute, how to make $10,000 in 2 minutes. That is why the lies are much in this particular niche because they know that the CPM, all right, the CPM of those videos is high. Okay, so because of that, they tell a lot of lies about it. But if there are still some that are genuine that give advices on how to save, all right, how to save to make your life better, how to save for retirement, and different kinds of savings, all right. Stock market, all right, stock understanding stock is still part of this niche. All right. So if you can teach people about stock market, when to invest, when to buy, when to sell, is still part of this finance and investment. All right. And you're likely to make money from this niche. All right. So it is vast, but you can pick where you want to cover. Insurance is still part of it. Okay. So insurance is part of it. You can talk to people about insurance. I have a new channel I opened few months ago where I talk about tech and insurance. Okay. So insurance has high CPM too. Okay. So if you can create content about it, it will still make you money. Then you still talk about real estate. It's still part of finance and investing. All right. So if we can talk about real estate, how to make good purchases, these niches, all right, this niche will make you money. Okay. So let's get to the niche number two. Okay, number two on the another niche that has high CPM is technology. Yes, I'm part of this family because here I major on tech. This channel started as tech before I went into started before I started bringing in some other areas like self-publishing, which can still classify as technology. Okay, so it is vast because it contains a lot inside. You can talk about cars under technology, maybe talk about the best how to make decision when it comes to buying of cars, all right, and different car models and what is in each of them that make them so special. All right. So it's part of tech. You talk about motorcycle. All right. You talk about phones, the best phones to choose, iPhone, Android. Okay. All these mobile devices. You talk about e-commerce. All right. How to build websites, how to add payment platform in your website, how to build e-commerce website, shipping, and all those stuff. They are all part of technology. So it's so much, it's so many, all right. It's a niche that has a lot of branches. You talk about software, all right, how to use software and how to develop software. And here I major on that, how to use software. I teach you how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, a lot of them, Google Docs, Slides, and the rest. It is part of tech. So you may start from one and from there you grow to other areas. So it's something that when you invest in, you make money. Why is it like that? Because all those big tech companies have money. Imagine talking about Microsoft Word, and because the keyword Microsoft is in it, Microsoft wants to advertise a product that have been existing or the one they newly invented. All right. So they want to talk about, they want people to know about the service, about that particular product. In a situation like that, it's a big brand. So they are going to pay a lot. They're going to pay higher than other competitors because they want their product to be seen first. Likewise, Google, all right, or Amazon, these are big tech companies. They have a lot of money. So, and that is why tech has high CPM. All right. As somebody that does technology, okay, software, I have seen my videos. Some have CPM as high as $250 per 1,000 views. Yes, but the problem here is that sometimes this kind of content don't get a lot of views. You see some that has $100 CPM, some $80 CPM, some $8 CPM, some even have $10 CPM. I'm talking from experience practically because I'm in it. All right, so it's only those that get view from countries that are not rich, poor countries, or maybe developing countries that you may see have CPM of maybe $5, all right, or even CPM as low as $4, all right, but they are few. So most people that view this kind of content are people from United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and all these rich countries. So when you create content in technology, which is where I major, you are likely to make a lot of money. And sometimes you'll be thinking like, I don't know what to create. You learn to create. Yes, I have never worked in a tech company. I learned all these things, and when I learned them, I then come and share them with you here for you to learn. I started coding recently. I started a new playlist on coding. It's because I started learning coding, though I have had passion for that, and that is why I'm teaching to you here so that you still learn. So if you can invest in tech, know that in time to come, you're going to make a lot of money from that niche. Another niche that has high CPM that you need to invest in this year, in this year 2025, is health. Are you a health practitioner? That's a very nice niche. Okay, you can talk to people how to live well, how to eat well and healthy. Okay, how to exercise. The best practices to take as somebody that is in that want to live a healthy life. Everybody wants to live a healthy life. The kind of drugs to take to keep on being fit health wise. Okay, so a brother, a Aproko doctor, is part of this because in this country, Nigeria, so he's doing so well in it because he knows what is inside. If he can get views from developed countries, he's likely to make a lot of money. So if you have experience in health, consider teaching people some things about it. I know it's still vast, though I'm not in it. Okay, so but I know it's still vast. If you can teach people how to live a healthy life, all right, how to do things like right, how to exercise and keep being fit and live longer. Everyone wants to live longer, all right. Then you are likely to make money from this particular niche. Okay. Okay, the last one on the list, the fourth niche that has high CPM that you may target this year, 2025, is travel. Yes, travel contents are usually expensive, kind of. So, but if you are the type that travel to different countries, you can put on your camera when you get to United States in a state in that particular location. Put on your camera, tell people what they need to know about that particular location, and indirectly you're making money. Okay, tell them the lifestyle there, what to expect, what to do, and what not to do. If you find yourself maybe in United Kingdom tomorrow, you still do a video. Okay, I know this kind of content is expensive. I see it as one of the most expensive content to create. And that is why there is not much people that do that. Okay. But if you're a travel agent, you may consider starting a YouTube channel. When you visit different locations, you take a recording of that location, you say some things about that in your background, and with time your money will start coming. Okay, so travel has a lot of money. And why is it like that? So many airlines want to advertise about their product, why you need to choose them over others. And there are still other companies that are likely to get adverts, to go into advertising, to show people about what they do in case you are traveling from your location to another location. So these four niches, if you can target in one or combine two in one, you're likely to make a lot of money in this year, 2025. And in all, remember, you need to be patient. It's not a get rich quick stuff. So by the time you keep on dishing content, 2 years, 3 years, YouTube will know that this guy is an authority in this. And then you start making something reasonable. And if maybe one or two of your videos go viral, it's a bonus to you because you still make more money from such occurrence. Okay. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Here we talk about technology, all right, and YouTube education. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will push this video to more people. That is how they know a valuable content or valuable videos. Okay? And leave a comment. If you have something to ask about niches on YouTube, just drop that in the comment section and I'm likely to answer you. Watch this video here to learn more on YouTube tips. Thank you and see you some other time.